These are my last. I just wish that I was too lucky. I wish nothing was getting wrong. So today I'm trying to make this world happy, but
You do not care.
and we already like I've been working so hard. I just spent some money. I had a lot of toys before, but didn't work. I still have many toys, but I still have many soldiers and many things. But the thing I have to say is bye-bye. But
Is somebody knocking
if
at the door?
let me because nothing goes my way for making me happy. But I have to do what I have to do. Don't be normal. So some people have no lucky things. They're not lucky. Some people are not lucky. Like some people, some of them are poor. Some of them are some of them are not even. Some died from old age. Or so I'm trying to say this to you. If you're okay, just I'm gonna I'm gonna be happy when you're happy too. But I cannot be happy when you're happy because my parents don't. I just wanted people to be nice to me, but nothing goes. Everyone is mean to me except for my friends and my cousins. They don't even leave me behind. They don't even leave me because they're my friends. And the things they made for me are very happy. And in when it's many years already, if I die in old age, just take a video for me because I cannot take what's happening today because bro, I forgot to press the freaking button.
You have to do that all over again.
Oh yeah, it's just oh yeah, it's on. Sorry guys, that was just don't laugh at that because that was just my friend. Guitan.
What's up?
Okay, he's just a little.
Gonna be cooked tonight. Gonna cook the fried chicken.
Yeah, that's what that's what's gonna happen to me. So try to be happy for me, for being nice to my friends and my cousins. So tell
You're
me,
gonna die.
I'm gonna die, bro. Okay, just ignore that too. My heart is not. Stop! Stop! Because sorry about that too. They're gonna build back my the kind of thing I destroyed, and I'm gonna die now because about about being naughty, but I'm trying to be nice to you and my friends and my cousins too. So if you're very sad, just don't think about it. Just think that something is happening very well. So just do what you wanna do, but don't do the wrong things that people are doing. They will make them mad at you. So you have to be very careful. Okay, you should be nice, but I'm the nicest, but my friend, some of the my family doesn't even like making me happy what I like to do. So I have to. I'm very sad now because from everything I made. And I'm gonna say this to you. I'm sorry if you're gonna watch this in my phone. I'm not gonna be here anymore. So
Who's gonna be in heaven?
now I'm gonna be here and
Nah, in heaven for.
I'm
We're
gonna.
gonna be in heaven for a few minutes.
I'm just gonna. I just wanted to say to you, Happy New Year for almost making. It's almost gonna be 2025 for good memories for
I love
me,
boogers.
and I
I love Dinah.
and everything is
Yes,
not
of course, Dinah.
and if you're gonna watch this later,
Just go there.
you just be happy for me so I can be better.
Sit down, sit down.
So I can be happier, better. Because if you're happy for me, I'm happy for you and I'm proud. If you're very good to me and if you're one of my friends, I'm gonna say one thing because the time is almost up. Don't give up what you're gonna do. Just don't give up. Everything you can do.
Nice
But if you can do anything, it's okay. If you cannot do anything, just just take a break. And now after that, you can do your job if you have a lot of energy. So, bye.